Okay guys, back again with Alexaa Diecast. In the previous video, we already opened the orange Mercedes-Benz station wagon and the blue. Now we're gonna open the green, but later we gonna have another Mercedes station wagon also from Matchbox. Okay, oh, this one is this one is W123 Wagon. This one is the S123 Wagon. Okay, let's open this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, this one, green, 3-pointed star logo. Can you see it in the middle? Yes. Side view, back view, also 300 TD Tango Delta. Side view, top view. Oh, there's a minor in the sunroof. I don't know what is. Can you see it? Yeah, this. I think defect from the factory. Okay, what's the difference between the blue and the green? I think no different. Oh yes, the grill is different. Oh no, the green and the orange have the same grill, but the blue is a little bit gray. Oh yeah, like I said before, I have another Matchbox Mercedes station wagon, the E430 Wagon. This one is a little bit hard to find. I got it in loose condition, but still in the great shape. So can you say? Sorry, SMBX 426. No 3-pointed star logo. Have the sunroof. No, I think this is moonroof. Different like this one. Back view. There's 3-pointed star logo. Okay. Okay. Is there any other variant from Matchbox, the Mercedes station wagon? Please tell me in the comment what the other version, so I can collect them. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Bye bye.